Good morning mga kabubuyog. Hulaan nyo kung nasaan ako. Andito tayo sa Marilao, Bulacan. Pupuntahan natin itong NCR Marilao Station dito sa SM Marilao. Pasyal-pasyal. Papasukin natin, subukan nating pasukin yung dugtungan ng SM at ng mismong station ng NCR. So samahan nyo ako mga kabubuyog. Lipad tayo dito sa Marilao, Bulacan. Yan, kung natatanaw nyo, yan ang station site ng Marilao Station dito sa Marilao, Bulacan. Redundant. Paulit-ulit, ito naman ang viaduct dito sa NCR Marilao. Sa gawi doon, susubukan natin pumasok sa mismong SM. Titingnan natin kung meron tayong masisilip sa loob. Huwag lang magkakaguliti. Ayun, yung ano ba nakalagay? Entrance, doon tayo sa entrance. Ito kasi, yung kalsada na yan, yung mga kinaliwaan kanina ng mga sasakyan, papuntang Lias. Sarado. U-turn tayo, U-turn. Sarado ang entrance. So, dito dapat tayo papasok nga lang. Ayan o, sarado. So, doon tayo. Oo nga, sinisimento yung flooring. Kaliwa tayo dito papuntang Lias, pero hindi tayo makakarating ng Lias. Nandito na rin yung mga pilahan ng tricycle. So ayan, yan ang makikinabang yung mga tricycle, magkakaroon ng maayos ng terminal dito sa ilalim ng Marilao Station, kasi alam ko ganun ang mangyayari dyan. Nakakalimutan na. So ito, kaliwa tayo dito, papasok ng SM. Kanan pala, kanan. Chori. Ayun yung SM, oh. Wow, SM, sana all. And natatanaw nyo, magkadikit sila, yung mismong station tsaka yung parking ng SM Marilao. Halos magkadikitan na. Mag-BFF sila. Eto, may terminal na rin ng UB Express. Kanan tayo dito. May mga decoration pa sila. Then, kaliwa. Susubukan natin kung meron tayong masisilip dito sa ilalim. Eto kasi yung station. Yan, sa kanan. Ayun, oh. O, diba? Puro scaffolding. Wala tayo nasisilip, madilim. Pero itong parking, accessible na yata yung taas nito. Hindi ko lang sure. Pa-comment na lang mga kabubuyog kung pwedeng mag-park yung motor doon sa taas. Dito kasi sa baba, parang wala namang parking ng motor. Kasi kung meron, dapat marami na nakapag-park dyan. Ayan o, butas, diba? Nakikita yung mga poste, yung mga column ng mismong station, ng mismong Marilao Station. Ito yata yung rampa na paakyat. Kanan ulit tayo dito para makalabas. Then susubukan nating tingnan, tanawin, sipatin kung anong makikita ni Bubuyog mula sa itaas. Bubuyog, lipad na.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing, I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid, I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want.
Yan mga kabubuyog, naliparan na natin itong NCR Marilao Station dito sa Marilao, Bulacan. And shoutout sa Shell Station dito sa Marilao. Napayagan ulit tayo na doon magpalipad kay Bubuyog. Lagi naman tayo doon nagpapalipad, nga lang minsan kasi di tayo nakakapagpaalam. Yan ang station dito sa Marilao, and naipakita ni Bubuyog kanina sa mula sa lipad niya na kompleto na yung lona, yung pinakabubong niya. Dito sa gilid kung mapapansin nyo, puro green na net mainit and hindi natin nakikita mula dito sa labas yung nandun sa loob kung anong mga ginagawa. Doon din sa loob kanina, doon sa parking area ng SM, hindi rin natin nasilip kung anong mga kaganapan sa loob. Pero nevertheless, wow, English. Eto, kumpleto na. Nung nakaraan kasi ang natatandaan kong huling update ko dito, yung cash in situ, dinudugtong nila, binubuhusan nila. Hindi ko na matandaan kung anong taon ba yun. Isang siglo na yata yung nakakaraan. And kung mapapansin nyo, yan yung viaduct, kumpleto na rin yung parapet walls, kumpleto na, wala nang masyadong ginagawa. And sigurado yan, naka-align na rin. Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko, sa pagkakasabi sa akin, base sa sabi ni engineer, pagka inaipatong na daw yung mismong viaduct dyan sa mga column, dyan sa mga poste, isa-isa daw yan ina-align. Kasi siguro hindi pantay-pantay, ganyan. Yun yung trabaho ng pinaka-patungan nung viaduct dun sa ilalim ng poste. So ina-align nila isa-isa yan para pantay na pantay. Pag dumaan yung tren, smooth, suabe, paldo. So hanggang dito na lang muna mga kabubuyog. Thank you sa mga sumama dito sa Marilao Station, dito sa Marilao, Bulacan. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please select the notification button down below. Thank you.